Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone,
welcome
welcome
back
back
to
to
the
the
IC
IC
Travelers.
Travelers.
So, just as we showed you in our last episode when we went for the Fifi Island tour, we woke up by 6 a.m. and then had our bath, had a light breakfast that we bought from 7-Eleven, which again we showed you in our last episode. And after that, the cab arrived by 8 a.m. to take us to the pier, and it was a long 1 hour beautiful ride through half of the Phuket city and some hilly areas, and finally reached our meeting point where breakfast, refreshments, and washrooms were available and also provided us with some brief demonstration.
The man with the golden gun, okay? The man. Why? When the movie now for our country, so we call James Bond Island. In the local.
As we discussed in the day 8 of this series, we booked a big boat for the James Bond Island trip as we already experienced the speedboat in our Fifi Island tour in our last episode. So right now we are halfway from the pier. The first island that we are visiting is Panak Island, but they are putting numbers in our hands because we'll have a canoeing experience. What is a canoeing experience we'll see in some time, and the canoeing experience might be in a bad cave. So let's see how is it like. We're already excited. So this here is basically the boats with which canoeing is done. You can see it's a 2-3 person boat and it's air pump.
सो अभी हमारी बोट फाइनली एक क्लिफ के पास आके रुकी जहाँ से हमें काफ़ी सारे कैनोइंग बोट देखने को मिला और अभी टाइम था कैनोइंग बोट पे खुद बैठ के बैट केव तक जाने का जिसके लिए मैं एक्साइटेड तो थी पर साथ ही में काफ़ी डरी हुई भी.
So we are finally in the canoe. Hello. And we are going to that cave there. It's also called that cave. And this is the landscape. It's beautiful, of course. Everything here in Phuket is beautiful. This is the Andaman Sea. This is our first experience. You can see that there's a crocodile hanging out there. If you can see that, yeah, it's a stone actually. It's totally a look-alike of crocodile. They eat crocodiles here in Thailand, of course. We have showed that to you in Khao San Road. Kaku.
Kaku.
Yes, my Sanju. Bawi. Oh, nice. So we have experienced caves in different parts of India, in which the best were in Cherrapunji, Meghalaya. But experiencing a cave in the ocean and sitting on a boat was a first time experience for both of us. And another first time experience was that the cave had no lights and we had to see everything with the help of a torch. After some time, we saw countless bats, but by the end, it was a very safe and a very good tour.
एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी अच्छा था और अभी टाइम था लंच का यहाँ पे है वेजिटेरियन लोगों के लिए और नॉन वेज के लिए भी अलग से रखा हुआ था, ताकि वेजिटेरियन लोगों को कोई परेशानी ना हो। और क्यू में हम लोग भी खड़े होके हमने अपना लंच ले लिया। हमने लिया फ्राइड राइस, वेजिटेबल, ऑनियन रिंग्स, फिश एंड चिप्स। और खाना हमारे टेस्ट बड्स के अकॉर्डिंग ही था, तो हमने अपना लंच सी में एंजॉय किया।
So we are now waiting for the long tail boat because this big boat won't go to James Bond Island. Yeah, we are going to James Bond Island right now. There's like a cave-like structure here, like at the entrance of James Bond Island. This is where we parked. So right now we are here at the James Bond Island. It's 1 p.m. now. They have given us 40 minutes to explore. And the thing is, there's a movie called The Man with the Golden Eye of James Bond. If you have seen that movie, a part of it was shot here, so it became popular. And the second thing for which it got popular is you can see that right behind me. So that's a limestone cliff, which is like not too away from the beach, but like standing alone in the ocean. So this is another reason for what it is popular. Now here we can see that there are some stairs going up. So we'll go up, like maybe there's an aerial view. We'll see what all we can explore. Yeah, let's go. You can also have some shopping time here, but we recommend you not to buy anything. Neither did we, as the prices are too inflated here. So after a good time spent here at James Bond Island, our small boat arrived to get into our big boat and headed to our next spot or to our next canoeing experience. So right now, after coming from James Bond Island, we have come here to Hong Island, and what we are seeing that we'll have another canoeing exercise right here. So we'll be going through that cave or somewhere like that maybe. So let's see. The first one was good. Let's hope for the best for the second one.
सेकेंड टाइम कैनोइंग के लिए जब हम गए हमने ज़्यादा कुछ एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था क्योंकि फ़र्स्ट केव एक्सपीरियंस इतना अच्छा था कि हमें लगा उससे अच्छा क्या ही होगा, पर हम एकदम रॉन्ग थे क्योंकि इस जगह ने हमें सरप्राइज़ करना कभी नहीं छोड़ा। ये कैनोइंग टूर जेम्स बॉन्ड आइलैंड टूर से भी ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव था। वो हमें जब अंदर लेके गए वहाँ चारों ओर क्लिफ था और ट्रस्ट में वो नज़ारा लाइफ टाइम एक्सपीरियंस जैसा था।
We just came back from our second canoeing experience, and this was total paisa vasool. Like for the whole trip, it was incredible. And there was a place like it was like a lagoon, and it was surrounded by long cliffs, and like it was very cool. Like you have to come for this tour only for this. More than the James Bond island and the limestone cliff. More than that, which is the main highlight. This was highlight from us. This was the highlight for us. This was really good. Like it's a magical paradise. So finally, we are done with the whole day, and we were returning to the pier from where we started. And it will take an hour more to return to the pier. And while returning, these eagles put on a show, amusing all of us that you can see now. And with this and all the memories of the day, we said bye-bye to James Bond Island Tour.
नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में आपको देखने को मिलेगा एक खूबसूरत सा रिजॉर्ट, तो बने रहिएगा हमारे साथ। और अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब, और वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर विथ whom you wanna come. So bye bye, see you on the next.